Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today we have yet another new visual collaborative workspace. Now here, they don't have any whiteboards, notes, or something like that. This is more of like Thursday, that platform that is a collaborative workspace, not workspace, collaborative space for leisure and fun. But here it is not just for leisure, but this is something else. Like, it has its own purpose. So let me just show you the use cases, like how you can use it and how it's kind of different than all of the other platforms. So let's just dive into the video, like not video, let's just dive into the website. So here we have wonder.me, and first that I have to give them credits for great website design, great website actually, like great color palettes, great designing, like they have used this abstract illustrations and all. Loved their style, and great typography also. I really like the type, like the font face here. Whatever, that's not our attraction, like main attribution here, but let's see what else. So here you can see, oh, no, first let's start with icebreaker. So here, you can create circles around certain peoples. Okay, so what basically circle is a bounded space where you can interact with people, and whenever you are interacting into that circle, no one else can hear, like uh, people that is in this space, no one else can hear. Then there is icebreaker. So here, as you can see, if I hover over any of the pen, I can see like intro type thing, like little intro type thing, and on the basis of that I can join there. Then move freely. You can move freely anywhere you want, and obviously with your mouse pointer, and that's it. And obviously you can turn off videos as well because you don't have to do it always. Now, those platforms are evolving because of one thing, that is, we don't have offline conventions, offline fairs right now. Like, okay, offline meet summits, we don't have that right now. But uh, there are platforms, they are trying to provide things like Zoom. It's not kind of a platform where you can actually do networking. It is a platform where, yeah, one person is saying something. It is kind of a event hosting kind of thing. Okay. So, any of the summits, any of the networking events have two specific things. One is the shows that held on stage, the event shows, and another is that networking section where you have stalls, maybe where you can visit all of those stalls, or maybe some discussion section, a group discussion section, everything. Okay, so that part we are missing nowadays a lot. Now those platforms are growing just to fulfill that part. Now without further saying, I am again uh agreeing here, like concentrating here. So you can obviously create areas as well, and in career areas you can also create circles, and you can totally have custom backgrounds. That is also great, but I love their default background as well. There's no uh there's no complaint about that. So now then the other thing is, uh yes, take center stage. You can broadcast air as well. So yep, that is also possible. Like if you are creating a center stage and you have to host the proper events, like usually how summits occur, you can do that also. And screen sharing, obviously you have to give screen sharing permission. And the best thing I love about it, the scalability. See how many people are there. Really, it's great because, yup, they can accommodate a tons of people. And whenever I have seen all the other platforms, I haven't seen this particular feature to actually accommodate all those, like all of those people. Like people in great numbers. So that is also a great thing about it. And actually that's it about this whole website. I have seen you every other feature and explained you why it is important, how it is different from other. And here they have some use cases as well. Obviously social event is a great like uh great event, like use case, obviously. So that's it, and you don't have to create any account in order to create space. Sweet. Actually the cherry on the top is it. I think you don't have to. Let's create one. Like anything. Oh wait. Okay, consulting and coaching, discussion group, more than 12, 1 to 14. Oh, you have to create. Oh, so you have to give them name and email address, so they will send you the access link. Okay, 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 okay. Yep. You don't have to sign in, obviously. So I was right. And that's it. That's about it. No passwords, no logins, nothing. Here you go. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great web applications like this gonna fire up the mode. This gonna fire up the scene. I gonna try it for sure with too many different peoples just to check it out, just to check it out like its capability. So that's it. That's it for this video. Bye for now.